It's only 19 in Worcester. And with those wind gusts, the wind chills are down there, single digits in Worcester and barely in the low teens in Boston. All right, so the high temperatures tomorrow will be a little bit better. The winds will be lighter. It'll be comfortable outside. It's kind of the calm before the storm, so to speak. All right, how do we get our storm? First of all, you got to mix some cold air and warm air. Where's the warm air? Well, there isn't much. You have to get near the Gulf Coast and southern Florida, really. And so that's where we're seeing some rain break out down there. And there's a bit of energy dropping southeast. So as this drops down, that'll help form this storm and then bring it on up the coast. Bumping into the cold air, and all that deep purple you saw there would be the heavy snow. Now, the track of the storm will be critical. If it comes very close to the coast, I could see some sleet getting involved at the height of the warming part of the storm above us, maybe as far as I-95. But if the track's a little farther east, they won't even get that far, and it's still going to be high-impact I-95 north and west virtually for sure. So we have a blizzard watch in effect. The reason it's not in effect on the Cape, even though you're going to have crazy wind down there, is because of the amount of snow that might not quite create the blizzard conditions. What you need is visibility under a quarter mile, 3 hours in a row, at least with frequent gusts of over 35 miles an hour in falling, blowing, and drifting snow, and there's a good chance that'll happen. Timeline, 5 a.m. 8 a.m. Look at the deep purple colors. That's very heavy snow. 1 to 3 inch per hour snowfall rates. Conditions will deteriorate very quickly as the sleet gets onto the Cape. Possibly rain on the Cape and sleet in southeastern Mass later on the day on Tuesday. But look, it stays all snow on the I-95 corridor, Boston, north and west. It will be a done deal late Tuesday night and by Wednesday morning. So our best estimate is a wide swath of 12 to 18 inches of snow. Let's say about 8 to 12 because of the sleet possibility around Plymouth, but that could wiggle either way. 4 to 8 on the Cape and 1 to 4 on Nantucket. More about how quickly the snow is going to pile up now with Mike.
Yeah, the timeline is going to be crucial for a lot of you as to make any kind of plans of what's going to be happening on Tuesday. How are we going to get to these numbers? Well, let me show you. Let's start off in Lawrence. As we get through the morning hours, you see how we're starting to add the snow very slowly. But once we get to about 1 to 4 o'clock, look at how rapidly the snow starts to pile up. You're looking at Lawrence right there. How about in Worcester? Look at this. By 1 o'clock, we're talking about maybe 4 inches of snow on the ground. But by the time you get to 4 o'clock, we're already over a foot of snow and still climbing. As far as the city is concerned, again, we ramp up during the afternoon. Look at that. We go from 3 to 9 to much more than that, perhaps as much as 17 inches of snow. And then, as you look towards Brockton, this just inside of that sleet line, so we're not so concerned about it there. But once you start getting toward the Cape, notice what happens. Hyannis, we go to the snowfall pretty quickly, and then it just kind of holds steady because that sleet is going to be holding it down, and the rain mixture and everything else going on. So there's going to be quite a variety on how this snow piles up. But you get the idea. Once we get into Tuesday afternoon, looking pretty heavy. Harvey?
All right, thank you, Mike. Yeah, you could see to get those numbers, that is 3 or more inch per hour snowfall rates at the height of the storm. All right, so again, here are the amounts we're talking about. Now, one other thing, the winds right now are getting lighter, or will later tonight and tomorrow. So tomorrow will be a tranquil day, but the ramp up comes very quickly on Tuesday. Even by late morning, the gusts could be over 60 miles an hour on the islands, over 50 on the Cape, and just how quickly the seas and the wind ramps up will determine how much coastal flooding is going to take place at that high tide early Tuesday afternoon. High wind warning down on the Cape and all that coastal flood watch along the shoreline. There's your time of high tide on Tuesday. So a couple hours before to several hours after, because the water's going to have a hard time emptying out as the strong winds try to pile it in. All right, here you go over the next 7 days. Simply put, for most of us Tuesday, a blizzard. Can't really describe it more succinctly than that. And again, conditions will become terrible, if not impossible, on the roadways during the height of the storm. Wednesday will be windy and cold. It stays pretty chilly this week, so not that much melting considering it's mid-March. And there is a chance of some snow next Saturday rather, but nowhere near the potential, if that does happen, of what we're facing for Tuesday. So Mike and I will stay on top of it. We'll see you a little bit later on. I'm meteorologist Harvey Leonard.